Hello, everyone. Today, I'm excited to share an inspiring story about vision and the journey of a young girl named Jenny Nguyen. Jenny Nguyen is a bright young girl living in a small village in Vietnam. Since childhood, she has harbored dreams of a future filled with exploration and success. However, life in the countryside posed its challenges, particularly in mastering the English language. But Jenny didn't let obstacles deter her. She realized that learning English wasn't just a means to open doors to new worlds, but it also brought with it numerous other benefits. By becoming proficient in English, Jenny could access a wealth of knowledge and connect with people from diverse cultures around the globe. This opened up endless opportunities for learning from international friends, enriching her perspective and understanding of the world. Moreover, English proficiency made it easier for Jenny to access information online and study from English language materials and newspapers that were previously out of reach. This enabled her to improve her academic skills and be well prepared for future career opportunities. Furthermore, knowing English opened doors to the international job market for Jenny. With her language skills, she could apply for positions at international companies, offering higher salaries and the chance to travel the world. Jenny's life took a remarkable turn. Thanks to her dedication to learning English, she not only secured a bright future but also fulfilled her dreams of exploring different cultures around the world. Jenny's story is a testament to the power of language learning and expanding one's horizons. Her perseverance and determination have paved the way for her to confidently pursue her goals. But Jenny's story isn't hers alone, it's a story for all of us. By sharing her journey, we can inspire others to recognize the importance of language learning and the opportunities it brings. So let's join together in spreading Jenny Nguyen's story far and wide. Let's inspire others, especially the youth in Vietnam, to see that learning English isn't just a skill but a path to a bright and promising future. Thank you for listening to Jenny's story, and I wish you all success and happiness in your own journeys.